Waiting is worse than failing. Yes! Kakahintay mo. Wala na nangyari. Kakahintay mo na may maging successful muna. Kakahintay mo na may makagawa muna. Kakahintay mo na may mauna na muna. Lagi na lang walang nangyayari sa'yo. Kakahintay mo. And yes, waiting is worse than failing. Kasi alam mong kaya mo naman. Alam mong meron ka namang kayang gawin. Alam mong magaling ka naman. But your attitude is what? You keep on waiting for others to do it. You keep on waiting for things to happen. Nakalimutan mo, ikaw yung pwedeng mauna. Nakalimutan mo, ikaw dapat yung nauna. Ikaw yung pwedeng nag-initiate. Ikaw sana yung pinaka-nauna. Kaya lang at the end of the day, mas pinili mong maghintay na may mauna kaysa sa'yo. So for me, you wanna be successful this year and the next years to come? Have that guts and the courage to be the first. Ikaw yung mauna. Kahit wala pang nakakagawa. Kung alam mong kaya, unahan mo na. Gawin mo na. One step at a time. So kung meron kang idea, kung may naisip kang maganda, gawin mo na. Huwag mo nang antayin yung iba para mauna pa sa'yo.